Hello guys, in today's explosive video, I am going to show you Amazon's kitchenware and household products. These are the latest collections of very new products and gadgets that have arrived online. If you want to order them from your home, then all the products are available line to line in the discussion box. Apart from this, I will show you a multi-cook electric kettle. If you are traveling anywhere or staying in a hostel, then this type of kettle will be useful for you. Electric kettle is available everywhere. You will find it available which you can connect to your switchboard and cook anything in this kettle, be it rice, Maggi or any snack you want to make. I will show you a bag to take while traveling. If you are going traveling anywhere, you have to take shoes, sandals, chappals and shoes. For that you will get this bag here. It has a lot of large capacity space, so you can fill it with 4 pairs of shoes and slippers and take 4 pairs of them. You can keep it in your luggage bag. None of your other clothes will get dirty. You can also attach it on the upper side of your luggage bag, which will fit very nicely in your handle. You will get a knife in the trader. It is a cutter of this kind. You can cut any green vegetable quickly. This makes your work easy and any vegetable is cut into very good pieces, and this is a folding wheel storage box which is made of plastic. You have to install it after setting it up, and these are very good cupboards. Guys, you can keep all your utensils in it, no matter how big the kitchen utensils are. Grinder machine or any other machine, you can keep all the utensils, store them. Apart from this, I am showing you magnetic LED lights for the car here which are magnetic. You can stick it in the interior of your car because it sticks well. You can put it on the dashboard so that your car looks very decorative. You get 3 to 4 types of lights in these, and these are at very low rates on which you will also get discount. Apart from this, you will get covers for luggage wheels. The wheels of luggage make a lot of noise. For that, you will get silicone covers here. You will get many good colors. You can order any of them by clicking on them. You will get options in this. If you put it on the wheels of your luggage, it will not make any noise and the wheels will remain in perfect condition. Apart from this, I am showing you protective covers for door handles which come in silicone. These have very good designs and colors. You can put them on the handle behind your door so that if the child opens the door suddenly, there will be no scratch on your wall, and this is a 3-layer dish rack. So you will get a dish rack here to keep your kitchen utensils, which you can keep on your kitchen counter as well, in the corner, and you can also pick it up and keep it on the cabinet. It is very lightweight, so it can be lifted easily. And in these 3 layers, you can also store all your plated plates, bowls and spoons, etc. I am showing you this nice knob cover for the gas stove. Dirt gets into the knobs on the gas stove, and they start looking very dirty. For this, you will get these knob covers very cheaply on Amazon. You can put these covers on your knob. After closing the door, you can turn on your gas knob. These are designer sofa covers. Very nice covers are available to put on your sofa. You will get them in every design and every color on Amazon, so you can order them from Amazon at a very cheap price.